Hey, Matthew Haviland here, and I'm at the community called Oakwoods. This is by DR Horton. I'm in Mays Landing, New Jersey. It's about 20 lots here, subdivision, new construction homes being built. I'm going to show you around the community, show you the progress that's being made, and I'm also going to talk about the two models that are being built here and give you some information on the pricing as well. So I'm inviting you to join me here for the tour of Oakwoods. So to tell you a little bit about Oakwoods and the Oakwoods community, this is located in Mays Landing, New Jersey, and this is in Atlantic County. You're conveniently located a few minutes away from the Black Horse Pike, all the regional shopping areas, Atlantic City Expressway, Garden State Parkway, very close by. You're close to Ocean City, as well as Atlantic City, and only about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour from Philadelphia. So being built at this community, there's only two models being built. You have a ranch model, which is called the Freeport, and there's a Deerfield model, which is a two-story home, both of these being built. And as you're seeing the video here, the current homes that they have going up are all Deerfield models. The Deerfield is approximately 1,900 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and these are built on a slab without a basement. So great layouts in these homes, and the Deerfield model is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, everything you're looking for without compromise. The foyer of the home opens up into a spacious, bright great room, open concept, flows throughout the house. You have a casual dining area, and then the kitchen. Kitchen features plenty of counter space, a walk-in pantry, and a large modern island. Upstairs highlights a roomy owner suite with a large walk-in closet and a private bath. There's 3 additional bedrooms and plenty of closet space and a hall bathroom and second floor laundry room. And now the Freeport model. The Freeport is a ranch model, and this is something pretty unique because most builders are not building ranch homes, or if they are building a ranch home, it's in a 55+ community, and this ranch home is available. They're only going to build, I believe, 5 ranch homes in the community, so these will probably go pretty quickly. It's 1,497 square feet, 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and a 2-car garage. So everything on one floor living. The foyer welcomes you in past 2 large bedrooms and a full bath on one side. As you continue, you're greeted by another full bedroom, laundry on the other side. You can use one of the bedrooms as an office or playroom. You decide how this space functions. Great layout. You can use those bedroom spaces how you choose fit. 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, plus a 2-car garage, and this is all on a slab. Great location here in Mays Landing, and those are the 2 models that are being built at Oakwoods. Now just a little information on how the builder is releasing these properties. Right now they are releasing only about 3 per month, so every month they're going to release a few new homes. As you see from the video tour, they're building them up pretty quickly, so there are many homes that are going to be available very soon. So if you'd like one of these homes, please contact me and we will connect you with the builder. Make sure you have all the information you need, and once one of these homes comes available, we'll let you know so that you can be in line to purchase that home if that's something you're interested in. So again, contact us for more details and we'll be able to get that information to you. I want to mention also, we have a free report called 5 Myths About Buying a New Construction Home. If you're thinking about buying a new home, you're not really sure about the process, there are 5 myths that you need to know, and please look in the video's description. There will be a link for that report. It's a free report, no obligation. We'll get that out to you so you'll have that information as you're purchasing your brand new home. So as you can see behind me, they're making a lot of progress here on this community. Only about 20 lots, and if you'd like more information on this community, check the link in the video description. I'm going to have details on the models that are going to be built here. Pricing is going to be in that $300,000 to $400,000 price range, and definitely a great community, great location. We're right in front of Victoria Pointe, right next to Artist Walk in Mays Landing. So great location. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the homes, the community, the models that are being built here, and please subscribe for more updates. Thanks.